Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will see a common use for static variables uh, for counting the number of instances. So first, I'm going to uh, add a private static int count. I have this counter class and the main function. And this will be private static int count, and then I will add a constructor public counter, and inside a constructor I'm just going to increment the count variable, increment to 1. And now in main function I'm going to create an instance of counter, new counter, and then I'm just going to copy it a couple of times. Three, 4 and up to 5. And whenever the constructor gets called, each time it will increment count by 1. The static and instance variables are automatically initialized to the default value for that type, uh, which is 0 for our int data type. And now I'm just going to print the count. So this will be system dot out dot print uh, you can notice that I didn't write counter.count like this. I could have, it isn't necessary because I already have in that class. So I'm just gonna run our code and check the output. And the count is 5 because we created 5 instances. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.